Now that we've removed all that grass, we've got to get this rocky soil ready for planting. The professionals at Ritchie Landscaping are recommending that we till this garden, not because the soil is bad and lacking nutrients, but because it's compacted and so full of rocks and roots. Now there are a couple ways that you can till a garden. One way is to do it yourself by hand. You would use a shovel or a hoe to break up the surface of the soil. Then you would use a pitchfork, get the tines deep into the ground and pull it up and turn over the soil. The second way is to till the garden with a rototiller. I bet you can guess which method I'm going to choose. You got it. Let the professional rototill the garden. Now with all these rocks, there has to be something interesting here. So I did find a few rocks that are interesting to me. Are they anything exciting? I don't know. I even found some rocks that look like arrowheads. I'll show you them and you let me know what you think. Our soil is nice and dry, which makes it perfect for tilling. Now some people will like to incorporate some organic matter or some fertilizer as their rototilling. We're not doing that though. Now a lot of gardeners say that it isn't good to till your garden because there are beneficial microbes, bacteria deep in the ground, and when you till it, you bring them to the surface and then they get killed off by the sun. So it disturbs the whole balance of your soil. What they recommend is putting a nice layer of compost or good topsoil on top of your existing garden and let those nutrients from the good soil go down in. And that's all you need to do. You don't need to till it. But in our case, that's not why we're tilling it. Again, it's because it's so rocky and rooty and compacted. So I found some rocks that are interesting to me. I don't know if they're anything special, but they're interesting. I love this one. I used to find these as a kid, and I like them because they have this transparent kind of quality to them. You can see into them. And these two, they have more color to them, but same deal, like you can see into them. Let me show you real quick why I am so fascinated with this type of rock. Look what happens when you shine light through them. And I like these guys. They look just kind of marbly, and this one, I just like its color. And this one too, it has a little bit of a sparkle to it, and it's got those nice gray lines in it. And this one really has a nice little sparkle to it. And this guy, I think, is a piece of coal. So that's kind of interesting. Then there are these guys. And they look like they're arrowheads. Are they? Or are they just like broken pieces of rock that happen to look like arrowheads? I don't know. So now what am I going to do with them, you ask? Well, maybe I'll just do a little creative rock pile. I thank you for watching and subscribing and liking my videos and leaving me a nice comment. So next time when I see you, we will be digging the paths for the garden and shaping the garden beds. See you next time.